Alright, so here's my Flysky. That's off. That's arm on. Let's turn it off again. And then here's the motors. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in beta flight, I reversed the motor direction since it's a whoop, so everything's backward. And then just when you plug it in, just motors 1 and 2 start freaking out. They're both jittering like nuts in my hand. And then 3 and 4 are fine. And these motors are getting kind of hot, so I'm kind of worried. I'm going to unplug it now. And so it recognized my transmitter because the lights turned on normally, but Betaflight doesn't recognize that my arm switch is turned on. I'll show you that in a sec. And it just won't. I can't turn the motors on in the motor control panel on Betaflight, and it won't do anything. I've tried setting PWMs, whatever. It doesn't work.
Okay, so I got my Flysky FS i6X and a little Beecore 2.0 Flysky version. Ports, I've got that configured. Everything should be good. I got my min throttle a little higher, and I just set up. Let's go to receiver mode. It's taking everything. All my inputs are working. aux1, aux2. Everything's working. Except then I go to modes. Flip that on. Doesn't get highlighted. And tried this a couple times. aux2. This one doesn't highlight either. And then people say it's sometimes just a matter of saving it. Nope. That doesn't help anything. You can see the little pipper moves from here up to here, and it doesn't change. And then motors. I have all 4 motors plugged in, and I can't turn them on, so I have no control over the motors. The board's not really recognizing anything. The motors start buzzing weird when I plug it in. So, thanks for watching. If you can do anything, please reply. Thank you.